Have you ever noticed how building wealth feels painfully slow until suddenly it doesn't? For years, nothing seems to happen. Then momentum kicks in. Your money starts growing faster than your paycheck. That moment isn't luck. It's not timing. It's math. And today, you'll see exactly when and why it happens. Welcome to Millionaire Thinking, where we break down the strategies and the psychology that help ordinary people build extraordinary, generation changing wealth. If you've ever felt like saving is pointless or investing is too slow, this video will permanently change how you see money. Let's talk about the three net worth milestones that flip the switch. Here's the trap most people fall into. They expect progress to feel linear. Save a little, grow a little. But wealth doesn't grow in straight lines. It grows exponentially. That means early progress feels invisible, and late progress feels explosive. Most people quit during the invisible phase, right before the math starts working in their favor. The milestones you're about to see explain exactly why. Milestone number one, $100,000. This is the most misunderstood number in personal finance. People say that's only 10% of a million, but psychologically, it's closer to half the journey. Here's why. At this stage, compound interest barely helps you. You are doing almost all the work. Your discipline, your consistency, your patience. Now let's make this concrete. If you invest $750 per month, which is roughly the average monthly car payment in the United States, and earn a conservative 7% annual return, you can reach $100,000 in just over 5 years. And that 7% assumption is very reasonable. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged about 10% per year over the long term. By the time you reach $100,000, you've contributed roughly $47,000 of your own money. The rest? That's compound interest quietly taking over. This is the moment your money wakes up. And here's the critical part. The next 100,000 takes far less time. Momentum has officially started. This is why people who reach 100,000 almost always keep going. They've seen proof. Quick pause. If you've ever felt behind financially, this milestone explains why. You're not broken. You didn't fail. The math just hasn't kicked in yet. Now let's move to the point where fear starts disappearing. Milestone number two, $650,000. This is where wealth stops feeling theoretical and starts feeling real. At a 7% return, this portfolio can generate roughly $45,000 per year in passive growth. You're probably still working, but everything feels different. Losing a job isn't terrifying. Market headlines don't cause panic. Your money gives you options. You can take time finding the right job, start a side business, learn new skills, step back when life demands it. Your net worth isn't just a number anymore, it's leverage. This is where confidence replaces anxiety. Before we move on, I'd like to ask you a small favor. If you appreciate this content, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It costs you nothing, but it makes a huge difference to us. So, did you click the subscribe button? Great. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. And finally, milestone number three, $1 million. Your first million isn't about luxury. It's about transformation. By now, compound interest does most of the work. You've proven that patience beats luck. Doors open. You can start a business without risking everything. Invest in real estate. Be generous in meaningful ways. Build real security for your family. But the biggest change is mental. You stop asking, can I afford this? And start asking, what does this cost my future? That $200 dinner isn't just $200 anymore. It's $400, $500, or more over time. That awareness is the real upgrade. That's millionaire thinking. And after your first million, each additional million gets easier. Momentum takes over. Now let's bring it home. 100,000 wakes your money up. 650,000 removes fear. 1 million unlocks control. Markets will rise, they'll fall. That's normal. Consistency turns downturns into opportunity. And remember, you don't need extreme sacrifice. Just $750 per month. The same money most people send to a car payment. The years are going to pass anyway. The real question is, will future you be glad you started? If this video helped you see the roadmap more clearly, hit like, subscribe to Millionaire Thinking, and turn on notifications. Comment below, which milestone are you working toward right now? And share this with someone who needs a reminder that wealth is built 1 month at a time. See you in the next video.